Unit 28. Mr. Clark signs the documents.
Good morning, Mr. Clark.
Good morning, Taylor. What have you got there?
I've got some papers for you to sign, sir.
Sit down, Taylor.
Thank you, sir.
Cigarette?
No, thank you, sir. I don't smoke.
Oh, that's right. You don't smoke. Let's see what you've got.
These are receipts, sir.
Let me see them. Yes, yes, yes. Everything is in order. Don't forget to file the copies in the right places.
Yes, sir. This is the answer to the letter from Barrington and Sons.
Do you know where their letter is?
I don't think I have it, sir. It must be in the Miss Spence's filing cabinet.
I want to read it again before I sign this letter. And what are those papers?
They're legal documents about Bailey versus Campbell case.
Leave them with me.
Is that all, sir?
Yes, that's all. Let me know when the new secretary arrives.
Yes, sir. The present simple negative. Don't. Do not. I. You. We. They. I don't smoke. I do not smoke. I don't like spinach. I do not like spinach. You don't speak Chinese. You do not speak Chinese. You don't know your lesson. You do not know your lesson. We don't understand this. We do not understand this. They don't work in a factory. They do not work in a factory. Cats don't drink whiskey. Cats do not drink whiskey. You live in London, don't you? Oh, no, I don't live in London. I live in New York. You understand Spanish, don't you? Oh, no, I don't understand Spanish. Lena and Jim speak French at home, don't they? Oh, no, they don't speak French at home. They speak English. Do you sleep until 9 o'clock every morning? No, I don't. I get up early every morning. Do cats drink whiskey? No, they don't. Cats drink milk. Whiskey is bad for them. Is Miss Spencer working today? I don't think so. I think she is on vacation. Do you speak German? No, I don't. I speak English.